Hi. So in the last video we used the Blinky example for the PIC32CM PL10, and this is what it looked like. We were running the Blinky at toggles at 250 milliseconds, and in order to prove that we used the data visualizer which was installed as one of the MPLAB extensions we used, as well as the kit information to be able to get more information about the board. So we're going to close that now, and in this video what we're going to do is run the driver example and use the time also to explore a little bit more about CMSIS Solution. So we browse VS Code projects, select the folder, leave the Git repo there in case we want to use the git ignore later on, and basically create the solution. Okay, the environment is busy getting set up, and we can have a look at the CMSIS part of this. So let's have a look at what this application does. There is, if we look here, also a README, and another feature of VS Code is that we can open a preview to get a sense of it. Demonstrates basic GPIO and UART usage, toggles a LED using GPIO, monitors a switch, and sends a message over UART. You can see it's set up at 24 megahertz using the oscillator control and SysTick timer generating 1 millisecond ticks. Okay, so let's just dive straight into the code now. So we can see that here we set up pointer to a specific instance of the UART driver, and that, as we described for the GPIO, gives us this functionality to be able to point to and get code completion on the UART API. So let us run this example. Let's build it. And we didn't debug last time, so let's debug. So we can set a breakpoint where we, for instance, send the UART message. So let's start a debug session. Okay, we break at the start of main, and if we run, we should run until we push the button. We push the button, we hit our breakpoint, so we can now stop that, and we can keep running. Now, with the CMSIS that we installed, see that the CMSIS Debugger contains 4 different extensions, and one of which is the Serial Monitor. And new terminal, and you can have this monitor. So we're going to use that Serial Monitor, and you can see it picks up the Curiosity Nano. So we'll start monitoring, and now if we start pushing the button, we can see a very responsive sending of string messages out of the UART. So this is set up, and we can see our baud rate is 115/200. How would we change it in the application? So we can see our UART init here is asynchronous, no parity, 1 stop bit, 8 data bits, and default baud rate is 115. If we click on that, we go into config.uart. Here you can see that 115 is there, and we can change this. There we go, 96. Just saving it, and you see now 96 is there in the code. So let's go to 96, stop this, go back to CMSIS, build. We'll just run now, we don't need to debug. And going to the serial terminal. Okay, so now we've changed the behavior of our application. If we wanted to get it back, we could go back to 115 and change it directly in the code. and that would work just as well. So 115, stop, so bold, run. Okay, back to the serial monitor and application back to normal. Okay, so that's the debugging also in the CMSIS environment, just in a basic sense. Okay, thank you very much. We'll see what exciting things we can get up to in the next one. Thank you.